Ever wanted to make your own festive plushie? Today I'm making an adorable candy cane shark using sublimated fabric, a sewing pattern, and tons of stuffing. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 9 out of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. Today's DIY is one of my absolute favorites, an adorable candy cane shark plush. I'm going to walk you through the whole process from fabric prep to stuffing this festive cutie. As always, I've linked all the supplies in the description down below. For this project, this is what I used. White Minky from Hobby Lobby, Shannon's Minky is another one that I really like, a printer with sublimation ink and sublimation paper. Up on my screen are the brands I'm currently using. A heat press, I will be using the HTV Run Auto Heat Press. A Teflon sheet or butcher paper. I also use copy paper to cover my area. The whale shark sewing pattern from BeeZeeArt. I love to use this pattern. I've made so many cute sharks with it. 15mm safety eyes, polyester stuffing, a sewing machine, scissors, needles, and thread. So grab what you need and let's get crafting. I started by designing the candy cane print in Canva. Once I had my design ready, I printed onto 8.5 by 14-inch sublimation paper using my sublimation printer. I'm using the HTV Run Auto Heat Press and I set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. To prep the press, I covered my whole heat pad with copy paper, but you can also use butcher paper. This is in case if any of the ink seeps through. Now I placed my Minky fabric from Hobby Lobby, laid the sublimation design face down, and added a Teflon sheet on top. I did this process twice, sublimating 2 sheets of the Minky fabric, so I would have both the front and the back of the shark, like on the sides. It's kind of hard to explain until you've actually started sewing. You can totally customize your fabric like I did, or you can use a service like Spoonflower to print the design for you. For the pattern today, I am using the whale shark pattern from BeeZeeArt. I won't be showing the whole process as this is a paid pattern, but I'll kind of show you what I did. Also, I have linked the pattern down below in case if you're interested in following along. I cut the 2 top pieces of the shark using my candy cane Minky fabric. Then I cut the bottom piece out of plain white Minky fabric for a nice contrast. First, I sewed the 2 top pieces of the shark together along the middle seam. Once that was done, I attached the top part to the white Minky bottom, leaving a small hole so I can flip it right side out later. Before stuffing, I top stitched the fins to help them lay flat, a little detail that makes a big difference. Then I added the 15mm safety eyes. I used the sewing pattern for the placement of the eyes. Now for the fun part, stuffing the shark. I like mine to be very stuffed, so I pack the stuffing nice and firm. Once it's full, I closed the hole with a ladder stitch for a clean, invisible finish. And here's the finished candy cane shark. I love how festive and cuddly it turned out. The sublimated candy cane fabric adds a fun custom touch, and it's perfect for gifting or decorating for the holidays. And that's it for day 9 out of 12 Days of Craftmas. If you give this candy cane shark plush a try, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know how this turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Anyways, I will see you guys here for day 10, and as always, adios!